We are now walking into 1422 8th Street in Greeley. Going in the back door because the front door kind of has an outdoor indoor living space and the door is shut from the inside. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, bedroom number 1. Walk-in closet. This is kind of like a laundry area. I would say the 1 bathroom here. This house is a pretty big mess. It's going to be a project. It's $37,000. This is kind of a nicer area. I was shocked. The hardwood still looks decent in this room. You can refinish. Bedroom number 2, really disgusting carpets. What can you expect? $37,000, another walk-in closet there. And here's the entryway with kind of the indoor-outdoor living space that people here are so fond of. So this is going to be, or actually $31,000, I said $37,000, built in 1889, 1,018 square feet, repair escrow of $1,210.